What is down there?
We got a good job.
Hey! What if we hurry?
Okay, Parker has been super needy, so we're gonna get him some doggy puzzles.
We're between this one, which looks like each of those flip up and then they also move to show treats. Or then you have like this one where they have to slide.
This one is advanced and this one's intermediate. And this one is you swivel. They have to like spin this, which is also intermediate. I feel like this would be advanced. We're gonna pick out some doggy toys and treats and things so that we can get some more activity with him. Okay, so these are the ones that we ended up going with. The dog tornado, which Preston is assembling right now.
I assembled it.
And we got, oops, the dog brick. This one is intermediate and this one is also intermediate.
The advanced one was something that I was worried about because sometimes he gets frustrated with the tennis ball and the muffin pan that we do, so I didn't want to go too crazy. So we're going to start off with this and see how he does.
Yeah, and then we got a bunch of these Power Bites treats. You want to see the size? They're just like these little treats. And I thought they'd be good for these because they're, you know, they want little treats. And then we can use them for training too.
You're close, Bubba's. Keep going. Well, now I'm curious on how he's actually supposed to get the white thing out. Because he's like right on the right track. It's just
he needs to use his paw. Luna, you're right in front of the camera. Bite the whole thing?
Use your paw. Use your paw. Use your paw.
He'll figure it out. He's smart. He's just looking himself.
Well, what if we just take off the white things for now and like do this?
No, he'll figure it out, babe.
But
how does this work? It only...
like he has to figure out that one first.
Oh, I see. Oh.
But that's what I'm saying. If we take the white things out, then he can just spin it and see if he can figure that out.
I'm showing him that this has to come off, Bub. See?
Again, I just don't know how he's supposed to get it off.
Did he sneak it?
Yeah.
He snuck it. Okay, so then...
Alright, figure out the rest of this.
Look, Bub, there's one here. Okay, let's check in on Parker's progress, Bubba. So he got the first layer, kind of. I think we helped him mostly. Let's see. You still have treats in here, bub. So that means you haven't gotten to the other layer. You haven't gotten this one either. Okay, so you're still going here, Bubba. There's still treats in there. Look. I think he's just given up. We also got him this Kong ball. He really likes chasing Luna's toys, and they're balls that have bells in them, so no dog toys have bells in them. I think that's just like a safety hazard. Okay, let me take off the tag. Okay, Bubba. Kitty? Oh, you better get that ball. You better get that ball. Get it. Dog, what are you doing? I think he likes it. Ready? Will you catch it? Oh my god, why is he so bad at catching balls in his mouth? Okay, Parker is not doing too well with the slidey one, with this guy. So, they're the same difficulty level, but I think he might have better... So let's set this up for him. Open compartments. I guess it was that other one. Okay, open all the compartments. Or however many we want. So he has to remove the bones to get to the red?
Because there's this under here too.
Is there something in here?
Yeah.
Oh my god, he's gonna get so many treats. We don't have to fill up all of them. I can't even open this. Okay.
So
just like every other one.
Yeah, that's fine. Oh wait, and then decide which ones he's good.
Well, I feel like if he makes it this far, he should get a treat. So on the off chance that he makes it this far, well, oops. Luna, we got treats for you too. Okay. Just put it on the ground for you. I don't think he's gotten a single one. Take it, bud. Take your time. You're okay, Bubba. Take your time. The treats are in there. Maybe the instructions has tips to encourage play. It says teach. Show your dog how to pull, how to slide covers, pull drawers, and unlock panic. Okay, we have to teach him. Okay, Bubba. Look. See? Parker, look, you gotta go like this. See? See? There's one right there. But you gotta remove that. You gotta lift it. Lift it. It's in there, Bubba. See, look. See, you gotta go like this. Oh, but you got it. Look. See? Now you gotta slide them. You gotta slide them, look. Okay, well, we're taking this one away. That one's done. So now you gotta slide. Good job, Bubba. You got one, babe.
Good job, Bubba's.
Oh, he is slobbering up on it. Was there a treat in that one too? Bubba, you lifted the handle! Our dog is a genius! It's the white bones he can't figure out how to get off. Here, hold on, I'm gonna read some instructions again. Make the puzzle harder. Show your dog how to slide covers, pull drawers, and unlock the panels. Increase the challenge by adding bone covers. Oh wait, so maybe we don't have to start with the bone cut. Oh. Oh my god, wait, I'm opening. All these have treats. Wait, that one has 2 treats in it. Okay, she says 15 minutes of mental exercise is equivalent to 30 minutes of physical exercise for dogs. I just don't even understand what that means. Hey, you're not done. You got so many treats in there, Bubba. Well, he ripped off the whole thing. You're extra good. Get the toys. Get your toys. There's treats in there, bub. You gotta open the hatches. Pat down the hatches? What? How did they say it? Batten down the hatches? What does that even mean? He opened it! He doesn't even know he opened it!
Good job, Buckles. You're doing so good.
That's so good! Okay, I'll leave you alone.
You in the backyard of your old farm in the summer.
Get it, Bubba. You're so close. There's one right there. There's one right there. Good job, Bubba. Good job, Bubba. Oh no, the battery's gonna die.